How to change your password on Twitch. Are you guys facing issue to change your password on Twitch account? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change password on Twitch, first of all, open app on your mobile device. Once you open the Twitch application, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you're logged in, now just simply head over to the setting icon, which is located at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on settings. After you click on settings, you can see this option for security and privacy. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can see this option for password. Tap on it. After you click on password, you need to write down the current password that you used before in order to create this account. Once you write down your current password, write down new password. Make sure that no one can guess it easily. Again, re-enter your password to confirm that you have changed your password successfully. After you write it down, tap on done, and that's it, guys. That's how you're going to change your password on Twitch. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.